Alright, so welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can track objects from within the color tab. So without any further introductions, let's jump right into the video. First of all, we will need another piece of footage, so I'm going to delete everything I have in the media pool so far, and I'm going to use another piece of footage. As I told you, it should be this one. Yes, this is the right video I need. Now let's add it onto the timeline, and let's actually find the part of the video I need. So the part of the video I need is, let's say, from here until here. Okay, alright, so that's the part of the video I am going to use. Or even, let's make it even smaller, from here until here. Alright, so now let's head into the color tab. Alright, so in order to track your video, you have to get here into the tracker tool, and what you have to do is choose the following settings. So you need stabilizer. Right now our tracker is in window mode, but we need to get to the stabilizer. So choose stabilize, then go here and choose classic stabilizer, then go here and choose point tracker. Now use this tool, so press on this once and you should see this this kind of plus sign. Then go with it to point in your video that you want to stabilize. So this one, for example, or let's make it this one. Alright, so this point. And now what I want to do is stabilize this footage. So I go here and press on track forward. And as you can see, my video has been tracked. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. So wait a second. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here. And wait for it to finish. So as you can see, it's a little bit off. I'm going to replace it here, so it stabilizes much better now. And now if we watch the footage, all of this should be stabilized great, right? And yeah, it's stabilized okay. I saw a point in this video where it wasn't. Well, let's rewatch it. So it was somewhere here, as you can see. Alright, so let's put the point here. Alright, so let's actually put it here and replay forward. Alright, so what you want to do now is add a text here, make it longer. Let's say something such as New York, or I don't know. Let's change the font of this text into Acme font, then add a yellow text, yellow color, I guess. I mean, let's make it this way. And I guess it's alright to put it here. Then you have to create it as a compound clip, because titles don't go into the color tab. You have to make it as a compound clip, and this way Davinci will see it as a footage. Now what you have to do is go to your initial footage, then you have to go here and copy all of the track data. Then you have to go here and make sure stabilizer is selected, classic stabilizer, point tracker. Then you simply go here and paste track data, and you choose the strong to -100, because if you put it +100, for some reason it goes the other way around, but if you put it at minus, it will go the right way. So if we play this, it should work, and for some reason it isn't. Oh, I forgot to stabilize the footage. Actually, I simply added a movement to it but didn't stabilize it, and now it works, as you can see. So this is how you stabilize footage into Davinci Resolve by working in the color tab, because there are ways to stabilize your footage by working in the Fusion tab, but that's for another video. So that's it for working in the color tab. That's the end of this section. Now, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.